Introducing the exquisite Buddha wallpaper collection from Qube Interiors, a perfect blend of serenity and sophistication for your space.
Designed to bring tranquility and timeless elegance, our Buddha-inspired wallpapers feature intricate artistry, soothing tones, and spiritual motifs. Whether it's your home, office, or meditation space, these wallpapers create an atmosphere of peace and mindfulness. Crafted with premium quality and fine detailing, each design reflects harmony and balance, transforming your walls into a canvas of inspiration. Elevate your interiors with Qube Interiors, where artistry meets soulful living. Explore the Buddha wallpaper collection today. Love the serene vibes of our Buddha wallpaper collection? Hit like if you are inspired. Subscribe for more stunning designs and drop a comment below. Tell us where you'd use this wallpaper in your space. Shop now at qubeinteriors.in and transform your interiors with peace and elegance. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest decor inspirations.